Assalamualaikum. I'm Zoha Fatma from Agriculture Department of Arid Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. My arid number is 19 arid 4911. Course name is Agronomy 302 and teacher name is Dr. Adil Anwar. Now I am standing in a beautiful village and I'm going to present some summer crops to you. Now the next is mung bean. Its scientific name is Vigna radiata. It belongs to family legume. The mung bean, alternatively known as green gram, mash or mung, is a plant species in the legume family. The mung bean is mainly cultivated in East Asia, Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent. It is used as an ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. Mung beans are high in nutrients and antioxidants which may provide health benefits. In fact, they may protect against heat stroke, aid digestive health, promote weight loss and lower bad LDL cholesterol. They also help to control blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is rich in carbohydrates, proteins and fats. As you can see, this is the plant of mung bean and I am touching the portion of the plant where mung bean seeds are present. Now the next is millet crop. Its scientific name is Panicetum glaucum. Its local name is bajra. Millets are a group of highly variable small seeded grasses which are widely grown around the world as cereal crops or grains for fodder and human food. Millets are important crops in the semi-arid tropics of Asia and Africa, with 97% of millet production in developing countries. Millet is tiny in size, round in shape and can be white, grey, yellow or red. As you can see the color of the millet in this video. The most widely available form of millet found in stores is the hulled variety. Although traditional couscous made from cracked millet can also be found. Now I am showing you the seeds of the millet. Maize. Its scientific name is Z maize. Its local name is challi. It belongs to family grasses. It is also called corn. Maize is a cereal plant of the grass family and its edible grain. There are 6 major types of maize. Maize has leafy stalk which produces pollen inflorescences and separate ovuliferous inflorescences called ears that yields kernels or seeds which are fruits. Maize is rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and fibers. It is cultivated for fodder and grain purposes. It is produced sexually. Now the next crop is sorghum. Its scientific name is Sorghum bicolor. It belongs to family Poaceae. Its local name is jawar. Sorghum is an important coarse grain summer crop which can be grown successfully in dry, arid conditions and on the marginal soils. Some of these species have grown as cereals for human consumption and some in pastures for animals. It is an ancient cereal grain belonging to the grass family Poaceae. It is small, round and usually white or yellow. Though some varieties are red, brown, black or purple. There are many species of sorghum, the most popular being sorghum bicolor, which is native to Africa. It is used predominantly for livestock feed and in an increasing number of ethanol plants. It is world's 5th most important crop after rice. As you can see, this is sorghum plant and I am touching the seed portion. These are the seeds. Now the next is cotton. Its local name is kapas. Its scientific name is Gossypium. Cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a ball or protective case around the seeds of the cotton plants of the genus Gossypium in the mallow family Malvaceae. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. Under natural conditions, the cotton balls will increase the dispersal of the seeds. It is basically used for every type of clothing from jackets to normal shirts. In home, it finds its use in bed sheets and curtains. Its seeds oil is used in food and cosmetics. It is also used in coffee filters. Its seeds are fed to cattle and crushed to make oil, rubber and plastics. Now that's the end. Thank you for giving your precious time. Allah Hafiz.